here in the airport. Heathrow Airport, and we are going to
Charles de Gaulle.
We're going to Charles de Gaulle Airport, and it's in Paris. Yes, guys. We are going to be in Paris for almost a week. So yes, I will keep updating you all today, guys. See you later.
2,000 years later.
We are in Paris, guys. We are gonna take the train going to our hotel.
Slow.
We are going to the Gar train station. Yeah, we are in the train now, guys. Going to Gare Nord. In the train going to Gare Nord.
Yeah, RERB.
So this is our train.
Yeah, where are you?
How many stops?
Like that.
10 stops.
Yeah, like that. Can you see it? We are in the B3.
Yes.
And it will go to after the B, stay to France, and then the next one.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the station Airport Charles de Gaulle 2. Your next train heading to Paris will be located on platform number 11, and this train...
Take this train after this station. After it goes over there for...
Hi everyone. Yes, we are going to Gare Nord. It is where our hotel is, in the station. Just walking distance, right? So our train is about to leave in a few minutes.
A few moments later.
Hi everyone, we're here in our
the top
hotel.
floor.
We're on the top floor, 6th floor with a street view. This is 25-hour hotel in front of Gare Nord.
Yes. 6th floor. Top floor.
Yes, and I will show you all our...
It was a little complicated to get out Gare Nord if it was like
Yes.
20 feet away.
Yes, it was okay. And then we were confused of the tickets to use. Okay. What number? 611. It's here on the left.
Yes. You have your ticket, right?
Yes, but the other one is expired, right? Because it's just for one night. It's on the right. It's like our room in London. It's like our room in London, also on the right side. Okay, surprise.
Watch your step. There's no step.
Okay.
Wait. Ano ba nila ko niya?
We have a street view, look.
Right?
Okay. We're here. This is our room, guys. Oh, does it work?
But, yes.
No. Oh, yes.
Yes, it does.
Oh, I miss the sound of the telephone. Really? I like it. Oh, so nice. Oh my gosh, look our view here. Gare Nord.
Yes.
Ah!
Look, check it out.
Oh my god, we have a... Oh, can we get there?
Yes.
You take the picture there, babe.
It's not...
Can you even open it?
I don't know. It's...
Yeah?
Wait.
So this is our bed.
Wait.
This is our bed,
Yes,
guys.
because somebody was smoking here. I can see the ashtray.
But this is non-smoking, right? And this is our bathroom. Where is the light? Oh my gosh, I have...
Day 2.
Hi, good morning everyone. Today is our second day here in Paris, and we are going to the Louvre Museum, and today is actually our museum tours. Yes, so yeah, we are excited, and let's go, guys.
12 seconds later.
I have my pan chocolat and my chocolate sorry, hot chocolate. How about you? You have your croissant and espresso. Hi everyone. Hi Carlos. We are here in Louvre and our museum tour will be in less than an hour from now. And we are just taking pictures before the tour. Yes guys, so this is going to be our second time here in Louvre. That's the Louvre guys, and there's a lot of crowd there, like tourists, and we are just here on the other side, which is empty, obviously, to take pictures. Yes guys. We are having fun and enjoying the day here in Paris. Such a beautiful day. Yeah. I will see you all later. Hi everyone, we are inside the Louvre. Yay! We are ready to see the collections in this museum. So where do we go first?
Wander around.
That's the exit.
Where?
And where do we
Hello.
Where do we start? Here in the paintings.
A lot of stairs.
Yes, a lot of stairs. And we're tired. Oh my gosh. Okay, finally we are here to see the paintings in this area of Louvre. There's more room for the paintings. The bus. Okay everyone, that is the Musee Carnavalet.
Like 15-minute bus and like 10-minute walk.
From Louvre. And there's a lot of stores here. Mostly perfume shops. We're gonna cross.
Yes, whenever you're ready. Take your time.
Let's go.
When they cross it.
Oh, they will not cross. But it's red. beautiful, guys. This room. Look at all the gold details. So nice. Hi. Century. At least it's not stressful, we will not get tired. So nice here. It used to be a hotel.
The copy of it.
Yeah. Look like there's a mask, baby.
He's the sculptor of a baby.
Tom. Is this real?
Looks like.
Hey guys, so yeah, we finished our tour here in Carnavalet Museum or Musee Carnavalet. Told you?
Musee Carnavalet?
Musee Carnavalet.
Maybe.
Okay guys, so yeah, after this I think we are going to Picasso Museum, like 5 minutes walk from here. Yes, a lot of museums today, right?
Yes.
See you there.